Good morning, 218. It's Miss Sarah. Let's get started with our morning calendar today. We're going to start with our good morning song. So we need 2 hands, 2 fingers. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Very good, you guys. We're almost done with April, and then we're going to get to a new month. I am very, very excited. So, we have today is Wednesday. Now let's look down here. We have the number 28 and a rainbow. So we only have one rainbow. So that means that our next picture in our pattern that we need to repeat is rainbow. So Miss Sarah's gonna come in here and draw a rainbow. Now what we need to look at is our numbers. Yesterday we had the number 28. Can anybody tell me what number comes next after 28? 28, 20. I think I hear some of you. I think a lot of you got it right. Let's count though to make sure that we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The number 29 has a 2 first and then a number 9. And together they make the number 29. Very good, you guys. Now let's say our date. Today is Wednesday, April 29, 2020. Very good. Now let's sing our song. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Now let's talk about our activities for the day. So today is Wednesday, so our activities for reading and literacy are to go over the flashcards we made for our letters. You're going to talk about the sounds, we can talk about the names of the letters, like in the ABC song, so A, B, C, D. You can also play the memory game if that is something that you want to do also. And we are also going to have your child write their name again today. The student's name that I will be writing today is Luis. To write the name Luis, we need big line down, little line across. We made the letter L. Next, we need to do the lowercase u. So we're going to do little curve, little line, and we made the U. Next, we make the I. Little line, dot on top. And next, we're going to make S. So little curve. Very good. So that is how we spell Luis. L-U-I-S. Luis. For math today, we are talking about shapes. Some shapes that we talk about in our classroom are circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and rhombus. For science and social studies today, I would love it if you could draw a picture of something you saw outside of your window today. Is that an animal? Is that a tree? Is it cars? Whatever you saw outside of your window today, I would love for you to draw a picture and post it to either our Google Classroom or send it to me or Miss Lily through the Remind app. For recess today, we are doing freeze dance. So dance your little hearts out, wiggle out those jitters, and play the freeze dance song. Today, I would love it if you could have your child help you cook a meal, whether it be as simple as a sandwich or helping you make dinner tonight. Whatever they can do to help you, I would really love it if they were able to be included. Please don't forget that Miss Lily and I are most active in our office hours are from 9 a.m. to 11. You can message us through the Remind app or email us if you have any questions, concerns, or any more resources that you need. Please check your child's email every week as we are sending out invites to do live stream teaching. We will be doing live stream teaching next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. If you are unable to make those days, please let us know once we send out the invitations for the times so that we can schedule times on Thursday or Friday or later in the day for us to work with your child. Thank you. Have a great day.